Ani and Bonjour band members, today is Thursday, July 14th. I know it's been a little bit since I last did a video. A little bit of my news is that I tested positive for COVID. So I've been kind of laying low since that, quarantined at home. So I'm past my quarantine period and now just dealing with some of the after effects like the runny nose. So I'm glad I had my vaccine and my boosters, so my symptoms were not that bad. So here is the update of the COVID-19 positive cases. In District 1 and District 2A, we are now at 353, and that includes 2 new cases. In District 2, there's 1 new case, so we're at the number of 61, and at District 3, 88. Public Health Department is stating that there is the new subvariant B5, and that's a prevalent strain in our state, and we may see increases in the cases that are testing positive. And again, if you need to have your boosters or a vaccine shot, please check out the Facebook for upcoming vaccination clinics and the dates and where they will be at in each of the districts. That number is 320-532-4163. Any children under the age of 11 will meet with a provider before receiving the vaccine so they can question the parents about the medical condition of the child. Again, look on Facebook for all the information about this. And the next traditional wellness clinic with traditional medicine facilitator Todd Mickenock Smith will be Thursday, July 21st, 2022 from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and that's a Thursday. And then also the following Friday, July 21st, 2022. And those times he will be there from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. And as always, please bring your SEMA, and for additional information and to schedule an appointment, call Dan Wynn at 320-674-0588. And again, all the information will be on the Facebook. It looks like corporate is having an elders gathering on Monday, July 25th at 10:30 a.m. at the Grand Casino Mille Lacs Events and Entertainment Center. They're inviting you to come over and hear a update on what's happening at corporate and also to have a meal and to visit with others. If you are interested in more information, and also to call in an RSVP, let them know that you're coming. Please do that by Wednesday, July 20th by emailing Beth Gruber at mlcv.com or leave a message 320-532-8810. It's been a while since corporate had a gathering with the elders. The last couple of weeks been very busy. Many of our youth attended the Unity conference, and that was held in downtown Minneapolis. I was invited to do a welcome address, so I went down on Saturday and did that. And there were approximately 1,500 youth running around that hotel and convention center. And so it was great to see all the young youth. And I'm glad that many of our Mille Lacs fan youth had the opportunity to attend. There was a tribal executive committee meeting and subcommittee meetings of the Minnesota Chippewa Tribe last week. The first order of business for the TEC meeting was swearing in all the new elected officials. Sheldon and I attended by Zoom, and there was a resolution that we will post on the chief executive's Facebook about a resolution that impacts the Mille Lacs Band and Sandy Lake. And you'll have the opportunity, we'll leave numbers if you want to receive more information regarding the resolution in Sandy Lake and the Mille Lacs Band. Also, education is starting their 3rd week of summer enrichment for Neosho students, as well as the kindergarten readiness camp for incoming 2022-23 school year kindergarten students. focusing on science, social, and emotional skill development and engagement. Kindergarten camp will be running for 2 weeks, concluding next Thursday. The summer food program will be in operation until August. Here's a little bit of good news. Congratulations to Tad Johnson on his appointment by Governor Walz to the University of Minnesota Board of Regents. Tad has been employed with the band for many, many years as Solicitor General, and currently he is the Senior Advisor on Government Affairs for the band. And Tad has a rich history. He was appointed by President Clinton to serve as chairman of the National Indian Gaming Commission. And this is the first time we will have American Indian on the University of Minnesota Board of Regents. So we are very excited, and again, congratulations, Tad. And with that, I'd like to say good day, and I will talk to you soon. Meek Wage.